Product that we're going to unbox today, right, is actually our Creative GC7, our game streaming deck. Okay, so I'm going to let you see the box now. This is our Sound Blaster GC7. Okay, and I'm going to start to unbox now, right, to show you the feature. While I'm unboxing, right, I'm going to tell you this one, right, I think a lot of gamers, you all will like it because there is this fully programmable buttons. Okay, let me repeat again, fully programmable buttons, right, that you can actually adjust the RGB LEDs. Okay, I know like some of you, right, if you all like are crazy about the RGB LEDs, right, I'm sure you all will like this. Okay, so I think here there's some like guide that you can read through, and I'll be putting it aside. And I really like the artwork at the front, very artistic feel, and it shows you like some engineering background of how we plan to produce this product. Okay, so I'll be taking it out as well, and there's cushion behind. And here you go, this is our Sound Blaster GC7 game streaming deck. Okay, so I'll be taking it out. Very bright color design, right, as in the buttons itself lah, okay? And I'm taking this out, and don't you think that, right, you are done. No, there's still more stuff in the box. Okay, so I'm taking this out, and there are some cables at the back, hidden at the back, so remember to actually check them out. Okay, it's at the side of the this black plastic box in the packaging itself. Okay, and I'm going to put this aside, and there's also a few like a wire here again, and also some manual that you can check it out. All right, yes. So I'm going to show you more like some key feature about the Sound Blaster GC7 once again. Okay, so just now I mentioned, right, there's fully programmable buttons that you can customize. Okay, so this is actually to allow you to have easy control to your sound, to some of your safe presets lah. For example, right, you can actually preset on the button to easily launch a third-party application. Example, a specific game chat platform like what you are using, like Discord. Okay, and this actually helps you, these 4 buttons will actually help you to save some keystroke on the buttons itself. So you can actually have one of the buttons to be saved to record your gameplay immediately just with one click of the button, and you can go live also. Okay, so let me share with you as well the 4 buttons here, C1, C2, C3, C4. You can customize, it's actually customizable to whatever that you like for the RGB LED lights. Okay, we can show you how does it look like in a short clip as well. Yeah, so the second feature that I want to share with you is that, right, it's called the GameVoice Mix. This is actually our signature feature. Okay, it will help you to actually balance the volume of your game background music and versus your game chat, right, that you're talking to your teammate when you are like very excited playing the game, right? So with a move of a button just here, I think this is the one, Game and Voice. If you can see from here, you can just turn it and adjust the volume to whichever background sound or your teammate sound that you want to hear clearly or louder. Okay, so that you can actually concentrate on your game. Okay, and other than this, right, you can customize the setting of other audio feature such as crystallizer or smart volume or even dialogue plus with our Sound Blaster GC7. Okay, so the next one that I'll be sharing with you is that, right, there's dual DSP, which is in a simplified form, is actually called the digital signal processing chip. So there's 2 chips in this our sound deck, the Sound Blaster GC7 sound deck. Okay, so one of it is actually our signature technology, our own Super X5 technology. Okay, and in this Sound Blaster GC7 sound deck, right, our signature sound mode is actually the Sculpt mode. Okay, I think if you're a gamer yourself, right, you will always use the Sculpt mode. This will actually help you to enhance. I think the purpose of buying our sound deck is actually to enhance your audio. Okay, so with the Sculpt mode, when you are using, you enhance the audio cues. You will highlight out every single in-game details. Okay, but with the dual DSP, the audio chip, right, now we have the Super X5 audio chip input in. So we added in a new mode for you to use, which is called the X5 Battle mode. Okay, so with this, right, this is a new mode, right, that will help you to enjoy your game as if that you are in the real gaming world. The sound will sound more real, and yeah, I think that is what you will really enjoy with the use of our Sound Blaster GC7 with the X5 Battle mode.